Welcome back to the channel, y'all, and I am at Lifted Truck Nationals in Jay, Oklahoma for the weekend. My first time ever being here. I've heard it's a great show. It's one of the biggest shows that happen all year round, and it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday event, like an event. There's a Burnout pit, there's a Barbie Jeep hill course, I don't know what that is. There's off-roading, and there's a truck show. So like there's a lot going on in a very large area. This is the 11th year that they've done this. It's a well-seasoned show. If you guys have never seen it before or thinking about checking it out, it's my first time, so we are going to explore together. I'm not part of a vendor's booth this weekend. I'll just be in VIP, and I kind of like it because I get to come and go as I please. So it's about noon on Friday. I probably won't get through detail line because it's pretty backed up until, I don't know, a couple hours. So we're just chilling. I might go walk around. But yeah, let's go explore Lifted Truck Nationals for the weekend, y'all. Also, there's some sick stuff here. I'm like in the detail line right now. I know for a fact the 5G ain't getting no trophies this weekend because I'm not even the best person in this detail line or even close at all. I wish my truck was bigger. I'm actually really excited. I don't know if I'll announce this or keep this in the video, but I'm going to do an extension kit on the 5G very soon. So she is changing looks, y'all. And if you're watching my YouTube video, you're the first to know. Soon. I don't know what it is about me and the weather that I bring to these truck shows, but it was supposed to be clear and beautiful all weekend, and I have brought the rain and cold. It's 70 degrees outside. It does not feel like 70. It's chilly with the wind. So luckily Saturday is a little bit better weather, and thank goodness, because there's tons of events happening on Saturday. Friday's more of a setup day, and then I think Sunday's more of like a wrap-up day, kind of last minute things and awards, nothing crazy, but Saturday's where all the action's gonna be. It's chilly. I don't want to hang out in the cold. Also, I still need to go do my drive-through judging, and if you guys saw my Nashville video, y'all know that I am terrified of drive-through judging. Mostly because I hope I don't have to talk to the judges. I'm bad at that. I hope that's the case. But if that's not the case, now I'm really nervous, and I have waited till the last minute on Friday to do the drive-through judging. So I have about an hour. If I don't do it right now, I gotta do it in the morning. And I'm gonna head home early today. I'm not gonna stay for any of the after events. I never do. It's been a great first day here at Lifted Truck Nationals. This show is so big. It's kind of overwhelming, I won't lie. And I can't wait for Saturday. They said it's gonna be even busier. The weather's gonna be better. Like all of the events are on Saturday too, like the Burnout competition, the Barbie Jeep Downhill race. So stick around, hang out. We're definitely going to get some great footage of that tomorrow for you all. And yeah, I'm trying to hype myself up to go to judging, but it's not working. This would hurt a lot less if I didn't actually build my own trucks. But I do. So the judgment kind of sucks. Yeah, check out this freaking weather. A little rain never hurt. If you guys don't already know, I like mobily work out of my truck most of the shows too. So if you're ever curious to see kind of behind the scenes, here you go. We have a laptop set up, a Starlink unit in the bed of my truck, hooked up to I don't know if you can see back there. There's a power box that literally charges all of my camera equipment, the computer, Starlink. Like, it's a whole little operation inside of my truck. And I usually keep like snacks in my center console. And yeah, I can't say that that's super exciting for you all to see, but it's literally a mobile office for me. I'm still avoiding judging. If you were wondering, I still haven't gone to judging. I don't know if I will today or not. I'm scared. I'm bashful. I'm gonna go to judging, I think. Okay, honestly, that really wasn't as bad as Nashville, but I mean, it was still kind of like nerve-wracking. Can I go? Okay, no. But I'm finna go. Goodbye. Just like it was in Nashville, you do kind of have to get out and talk about your truck to the judge, which is always kind of like the part that makes me nervous, but I did it. It's over with. I don't have to worry about that on Saturday. It's not my favorite thing to do drive-through judging, but it's over. So may the odds ever not be in my favor. There's a lot of great builds here. Okay, let's go home, actually, because it's cold and rainy. But goodbye. I will see you guys tomorrow for Saturday, and we have a day packed full of events, so stick around. There's going to be tons of stuff coming up very soon. See ya. Good morning, I'm back for day 2 of Lifted Truck Nationals, and it is already picking up today. Better weather. We're expecting more spectators to walk around. This is a big show. Like, the venue is big, the crowd is going to be big, there's lots of trucks, there's 2 different areas. There's VIP and where all the vendors are, and then there's generalized like section as well. So it's quite literally opposite sides of the park. This is also an off-road park. Okay, so there's a lot going on. There's off-roading, there's a Barbie Jeep Hill event today, there's the truck show going on, there's a Burnout pit, there's a dyno that's going to be running. Like, it's a jam-packed Saturday. So I'm going to be on the move today for sure. Try to get some crowd shots. I definitely want to be down in the pit, and I'm so excited. It's 10:30 right now. I got the truck wiped down, parked, and around 11:45 noon, I'm going to make my way down to the Thunderdome area where a lot of the events are happening today. So far, what I love about this venue is it's big, but it's set up well. There's cabins on site, there's camping on site, there's food vendors, you're close to town, there's off-roading available. They have a pool. I mean, it's kind of chilly, but like, they have a pool. Like, this is a whole like resort, like an off-roading resort. So again, if you've never been to the Lifted Truck Nationals or you're thinking about coming for the first time, there are tons of accommodations here on showgrounds, and a lot of people do stay here for the showgrounds. I've heard that the after night, like the party, the nighttime stuff is wild. I never stick around for that stuff, mostly because I have a bedtime. But if you're thinking about coming, consider that. I heard that they book up fast, though. This is getting to be a pretty large show, and it's the 11th year that they've been hosting this. It's going to continue to grow. I'm so glad that I got to see the show yesterday, and let's go. Day 2 of Lifted Truck Nationals. All right, that's a wrap for the Barbie Jeep Hill event, and it was a wild one for sure. Saw tons of wipeouts, definitely some Barbie Jeeps, a couple flips, and I got soaked from the nasty water and the mud because I was down at the bottom helping film. So some of these shots that you do see are me, and then some of them are cameraman.
That's me.
Who was finally holding a camera today. What did you think of the Barbie Jeep Hill event?
Oh no, it was crazy.
Okay, it's a hit with cameraman.
I'm coming back.
We are going to hang out in VIP for just a little bit longer today, and I'll be back down in the same area for the Burnout competition tonight. I'm excited. It's been a busy day, but I feel like today is flying by, and I haven't even gotten a chance to really walk around and see the show. So I'm going to try to do that. First, I got to change, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Well, I didn't get a chance to see everything today, but what I did see was amazing here in the VIP section. I wish I had time to run over to General again. The day happened so fast. There's so many events and it's such a big venue. It's kind of hard to run around everywhere. I am heading back down to Thunderdome Valley, where tonight we are going to see the Burnout competition, and I'm super excited. Hey guys, get over here.
Wow, out of all the places, he wants to park right by us.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ah, I got a cramp.
All right, if you guys don't remember, this is the show coordinator for HAR Showdown, and you had a very successful first year show, and you're at Lifted Truck Nationals now. How does it feel?
It feels great. We're just here to hang out. We didn't even bring any trucks or nothing. We're just here.
I was super excited because I thought he was going to bring his side-by-side and I was going to take you guys off-roading, but this loser did not.
We just left everything at the house. We literally just decided to come 2 days ago.
Okay, well, I'm glad that they're here because it is nice to have friends at a show. Actually, just kidding. You're not my friend.
I don't think we're that good of friends.
Yeah, you're not my friend.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No.
I don't know who would be friends with her.
No one. I'm leaving. Burnout competition starts soon. Do you have your money on anybody?
No, but they really do need to start because it's getting hot and it's getting late.
It's like 5:30.
Yeah, they're not starting until 7.
Okay, but like, where else do you need to be?
Having fun.
All right, okay, apparently I'm not fun. I'm leaving.
No.
Goodbye.
Bye.
that's a wrap, y'all, for Lifted Truck Nationals, and it's Sunday, the day after, well, technically the show's still going on Sunday. They have awards, kind of packing up. It's an all-weekend event, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I can't head back over there. I hate it, but I gotta get on the road to the next adventure, so stay tuned on the channel because there's more to come. And there are some changes happening to the 5G soon. I'm excited about that as well. I had a blast. Like, the whole weekend was so much fun. There was lots of stuff going on though. Tons of moving parts, lots of events. They're very back to back. If anything, the show felt big and like full of energy, and I will be back. Be sure to stick around. Like I said, there's more adventures coming up, and if you don't already, follow me on all of my socials. They're literally all Ashton Joe. What a crazy weekend. Like always, I have no idea if the 5G actually won anything. Not really here for that, but I did see tons of cool builds. Like, I saw a couple before at the HJR Showdown, so be sure to check out that video too. There were some new ones. And I think overall that Bronco, that had to steal the show for me. I'm sorry. Like, the story behind it, and it was just absolutely freaking gorgeous. So I'm so glad that I got to see that. What a cool build. On the road, y'all. I'll catch you on the next video.